I'm going to show you some cool text animation and effects that you can make in Adobe Premiere. This is going to be very easy and simple. First, you have to go to the toolbar and type tool. In my case, I'm just going to type my name. So go to the toolbar again and select the selection tool and grab it. Hold Control on your keyboard and scale it up and even reposition it to the center. You can add some stroke into your text, like enable stroke and make it a little black. And that way it will be much more visible. You can maybe add some drop shadow if you like. Just choose your shadow color, a little bit of gray. The first animation will be the text pop-up. So how you can make it? Caution, don't touch this vector motion bar in your effects control tab. This is gonna ruin your whole text animation. Head over to your effects and search for transform effect. Now grab it into your text. Now you see that it appears on your effects control tab. Now you can add your pop-up animation here. Here you can add your keyframe and click this stopwatch icon. Add some value like let's say 90% and then head few frames forward, 1 2 3, then make it 110%, then another 3 frames, 1 2 3, then make it back to 100%. Now you can see the pop-up text effect. You can make it more smooth by clicking the first keyframe. Right click the first keyframe and select ease out. Right click the last keyframe and select ease in. Now it will be much more smooth. Okay, so the first one is done. Now the second text animation, the same way, you just grab your text tool and type whatever you want to type. Let's say an apple. This is going to be the slide text animation. Search transform effect and drag it into your graphics. Then search the crop effect. Drag it into your graphics. Head over to your effects control tab. Select your crop effect and grab it somewhere between here. Now go to the transform effect. Drag it a little left. Now click the stopwatch icon on the position. Then head over to like let's say 4 or 5 frames. Maybe 5 frames. 1 2 3 4 5. Drag it back. First keyframe, right click, then ease out, and the last keyframe, right click, then ease in. Oh, it's very fast. I have to you can drag it to make your timing. If you move further, it will be slow, and if you move closer, it will be a little fast. In my case, I'm gonna just move it a little further. You can add some motion blur, make it a little more cool. Search Gaussian blur, drag it into your text, find Gaussian blur, find the spot when your text is moving, then add your Gaussian blur. Let's say 20%, and here the Gaussian blur will be 0, and in the first keyframe it will be 0. This was the slide animation. The last one is the typewriter animation. In this case, you don't have to add any transform effects or Gaussian blur or crop effect. You just have to find opacity in your effects control tab, select it, and select the rectangular polygon mask, and then resize it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Drag the mask path into the left. Now click the mask path and let's head over to a few frames here. Now click the mask again and reveal your text. See, cool typewriter text animation. So that's it. Bye. Get out of here.